Are you ready to be a Muslim?
Yes.
ولتكن منكم أمة يدعون إلى الخير ويأمرون بالمعروف وينهون عن المنكر وأولئك هم المفلحون.
ادع إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي أحسن إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين.
يا أيها النبي قل لأزواجك وبناتك ونساء المؤمنين يدنين عليهن من جلابيبهن ذلك أدنى يعرفن فلا يؤذين وكان الله غفورا رحيما.
How do you feel?
I feel so liberated. Oh, kind of want to cry now though, cause
Don't cry, then you're gonna make me cry.
oh no, cause this is something cause I know it takes a lot to do this, and it's a statement, and people don't understand. That's just what it is. This whole world doesn't everybody's ignorant. They don't understand what this means. They just see what's on television, and yeah, I think you're making a statement doing this.
Would you encourage more women to wear the niqab?
Yes, I do actually. Yeah, that shows a lot of pride in who you are, and it shows that you're not ashamed of who you are.
So how do you feel in it?
I feel liberated. Like I said, I want to cry right now because I know I would never experience. This is the only time I would ever experience this. So, yeah, thank you guys.
You're welcome.
You don't shake hands. You can shake her hand.
Like, give me a hug.
يا بني آدم قد أنزلنا عليكم لباسا يواري سوآتكم وريشا ولباس التقوى ذلك خير ذلك من آيات الله لعلهم يذكرون. يا بني آدم لا يفتننكم الشيطان كما أخرج أبويكم من الجنة.
Can I ask you a question? Sure. How do you feel about the niqab?
I actually feel like it's a form of respect, towards a woman's self. I have nothing against it. If it's anything, I think it's beautiful and it should be honored.
Would you encourage more women to wear the face veil?
Yes. If that is what they want to do, if that is their belief, it should be respected, and I encourage every woman that feels that they want to wear the niqab to please wear it.
What about the women that are coming from overseas who feel they might get looks harassed? What would you say to them?
I'm not, a Muslim, but I respect it, and I've learned a lot about the religion and the meaning of the niqab or the hijab or the abaya. And if people look at you, just say hi, and if they have a question, just please educate them, because that way the world will be stopped being so judgmental.
How did you feel when you tried on the niqab?
I thought it was beautiful. It made me look modest. I mean, I know I'm a little showy, but it's a modest way of living. I felt nothing bad. If it's anything, I felt like, well, people are only looking at my eyes. They're not looking at everything else, and they're not judging me about my weight or my looks or anything. If it's anything, when I talk to them, they're paying attention to my eyes and they're listening to my words.
Exactly, and that's the whole point of wearing niqab, is so that you're judged based on your personality and your character and your intellect and your inner beauty, not your outer beauty.
Yes, definitely. That modesty will have people respect you and really pay attention to your words and your mind, because that's really what Heavenly Father or Allah wants you to do. Focus on yourself, your family, keep yourself preserved for your husband, you know? That is the most important thing, and unfortunately, a lot of things in our society doesn't respect modesty anymore.
وقل للمؤمنات يغضضن من أبصارهن ويحفظن فروجهن ولا يبدين زينتهن إلا ما ظهر منها وليضربن بخمرهن على جيوبهن ولا يبدين زينتهن.
How do you feel in the niqab?
This clothes is very interesting. I have friend wear this.
Where is she from?
China. You are?
I'm from Kuwait.
والقواعد من النساء اللاتي لا يرجون نكاحا فليس عليهن جناح أن يضعن ثيابهن غير متبرجات بزينة وأن يستعففن خير لهن والله سميع عليم.
وإذا سألتموهن متاعا فاسألوهن من وراء حجاب ذلكم أطهر لقلوبكم وقلوبهم.
Your eyebrows can't show.
Okay. Oh, they're not supposed to show?
No, they're you're always supposed to cover your eyebrows. There we go. They're perfect, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So, like, any hair cannot show?
No. When
cover
I
yourself?
just cover my eyes, I just pull it up. I just go like this.
And then you can still see?
I can.
And this is the burqa.
So you can cover your eyes like
Oh,
that.
okay.
Very clear.
فإذا اطمأننتم فأقيموا الصلاة إن الصلاة كانت على المؤمنين كتابا موقوتا.
والذين هم على صلاتهم يحافظون أولئك في جنات مكرمون. يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تساءلون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا. إن الدين عند الله الإسلام وما اختلف الذين أوتوا الكتاب إلا من بعد ما جاءهم العلم بغيا بينهم ومن يكفر بآيات الله فإن الله سريع الحساب.
ولا يبدين زينتهن إلا لبعولتهن وآبائهن وآباء بعولتهن أو أبنائهن وأبناء بعولتهن أو إخوانهن أو بني إخوانهن أو بني أخواتهن أو نسائهن أو ما ملكت أيمانهم أو التابعين غير أولي الإربة من الرجال أو الطفل الذين لم يظهروا على عورات النساء ولا يضربن بأرجلهن ليعلم ما يخفين من زينتهن وتوبوا إلى الله جميعا أيها المؤمنون لعلكم تفلحون.
How do you feel in it?
It's my first time wearing it, so it's something different for me. It's very comfortable. It's very breathable material, so
Would you encourage more women to wear it?
if I were to convert to be Muslim, I would.
Are you ready to be a Muslim?
Yes.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the Shahada, and that's what you do in order to become a Muslim. So we're going to say a verse in English, and then we're going to do the same thing in Arabic.
Okay.
Are you forced, or did anybody force you to do this or say this?
No.
Okay. So you're willing to do it from your own heart?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to start by I.
I
Bear witness.
bear witness.
There's no God
There's no God
but Allah,
but Allah,
and I
and I
bear witness
bear witness
that Muhammad,
that Muhammad,
peace and blessings be upon him,
peace and blessings be upon him,
is his servant and messenger,
is his servant and messenger,
and that Jesus is his messenger.
and that Jesus is his messenger.
So we're going to say the same thing in Arabic now, okay?
Okay.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
anna
anna
la
la
ilaha
ilaha
illa
illa
Allah
Allah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abdahu
abdahu
wa
wa
rasulah
rasulah
wa Isa
wa Isa
Rasulallah.
Rasulallah.
Allahu Akbar.
الله ولي الذين آمنوا يخرجهم من الظلمات الله ولي الذين آمنوا يخرجهم